Welcome to Soft Asia Tech. Today we are going to learn paste special in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. Paste values. Copy data. Right click on it. Copy. Select the cell where you want to paste. Right click on it. Paste special. Then click on values only. Only values are pasted. Paste formulas. Select the values with formulas. Copy. Paste special. Formulas only. Paste format. Here the text is bold. I want to copy formatting only. Click, copy. Select the data where you want to paste formatting. Right click, paste special, format only. You can see that the format is applied to the selected range. Paste validation. Here is the data with validation. I will copy to other range. Copy, copy data, select, paste special, data validation only. Click on data validation only. The data is copied with validation. Paste conditional formatting. Here's the data. I have applied conditional formatting on it. Copy and paste. Paste special. Click on conditional formatting only. Here you can see that. Paste transposed. Let's suppose you want to convert rows to column or column to rows. You will use paste transpose. Select the data, copy, click where you want to paste it, right click on it, click on transposed. Here you can see that row is converted into column. Paste columns width. If you want to paste column width, you can select the column with the width, required width. Let's suppose I select this, copy. Now if you want to apply on whole column, select the whole column, or you can select one or two cells. Right click on it, paste special, column width only. You can see the results. Copy data without borders. Select the data with borders, click on copy, select the cell where you want to paste, right click, paste, click on all except borders. Here you can see that data is pasted without borders. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.